Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Jira Cloud with Azure AD SSO detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. In the left-hand menu, select Enterprise Applications. Click on New Application to create a new application for Jira. In the Application Gallery, search for Jira. Select Jira Cloud from the search results. Click the Create button to set up the application. After the application is created, go to the Single Sign-On option in the left menu. Choose the SAML option as your single sign-on method. In the Basic SAML Configuration section, click Edit. In the Identifier Entity ID field, enter your Jira instance URL. In the Reply URL Assertion Consumer Service URL field, add the corresponding URL from your Jira instance, typically formatted as https://your-domain.atlassian.net/secure/saml/sso. For the sign-on URL, enter the Jira login URL, which is usually https://your-domain.atlassian.net/login. Next, open the User Attributes and Claims section. Ensure that the default claims are set up correctly. You may need to add a new claim for the user's email, usually set as user.mail. Scroll down to the SAML Signing Certificates section. Download the Federation Metadata XML or certificate as you will need it in the Jira settings. Now, switch to your Jira account by going to atlassian.net and logging in as an admin. Navigate to Jira Settings and locate the User Management section. Click on SSO and then find the option to configure SAML SSO. In the SSO configuration page, upload the Federation Metadata XML you downloaded earlier. Fill in any remaining fields as required by Jira, such as the SSO URL and the public key. Save your changes and enable SAML-based SSO in Jira. Return to Azure and configure the Assign Users and Groups section. Choose the users or groups that will require access to Jira with SSO. Once assigned, test the SSO configuration by logging out of Jira. Try to log back in using the Azure AD credentials. If everything is configured correctly, you should be redirected through Azure AD and successfully logged into Jira. Review all settings if you encounter any issues during the login process. This setup enables seamless integration between Jira Cloud and Azure Active Directory for single sign-on authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.